Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel PDFfiller subscriptions. So let's get straight into it. Now here at the top right corner you will see your profile icon, and then what you need to do, just simply click on it. Now here let's go to my account, and from here now we go here to the subscription and payment, just like that. And you will see here at the bottom, cancel your free trial. So I'm right now in a trial for 30 days. So your data will be accessible for 30 days after your free trial is cancelled. After that period, your data will be deleted and your account will be inaccessible. So let's say cancel my free trial, cancel free trial. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So you will uh, be able to use this for another 30 days. So if you paid today for a subscription, you will be basically so this subscription will last to 28th of May, and after that you will lose your all data. So be careful and save everything that you have. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can cancel subscription here in PDFfiller. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.